This is my bike check. My name is Dakota. Frame is a 2011 stolen wrap frame. Back wheel is a stock stolen revolver. And tire is Animal GLH in 2.15 actually. Shadow Conspiracy, Little One pegs. Stolen Thermalite pedals. Stolen theme cranks. DK Social bottom bracket. Stolen Thermalite pivotal setup, and let's see, stolen cell bars, and let's see, Redline hollow point stem, Odyssey CS2 race forks, stock headset, ODI long neck grips, Animal bar ends, Animal TWW white wall front tire, and Haro ALB front wheel. And my sprocket is a stolen class ring, and the chain is some KMC something, I'm not even sure really. And that's my bike check.